Imagine waking up one morning, opening your laptop, and realizing you can automate your work, create stunning visuals, write content in seconds, analyze data, or even build an assistant that works for you, all with AI. That's where the world is heading. The question is, will you use AI, or will AI replace you? Because let's be honest, AI is not the future, it's the present, and learning it today isn't optional anymore. It's survival. AI is writing entire marketing campaigns in minutes. It's designing websites, creating presentations, analyzing data, generating video content, writing code, tutoring students, and doing legal research. Companies are hiring people who know how to use AI over people with more experience who don't. Students who use AI effectively are finishing assignments in an hour that used to take a full day. Entrepreneurs are building businesses with AI that would have required a whole team just 2 years ago. Can you really afford to be the person who said, "I'll learn this AI stuff later," while watching everyone around you level up? So let's talk about how you can learn AI, step by step, even if you know nothing right now. Let's start with the truth. AI is not magic. It's a system that mimics human intelligence, learning from data, understanding patterns, and producing results that help us make smarter decisions or automate boring tasks. Every smart feature you use, personalized recommendations, voice assistants, tools like ChatGPT, image generators like Midjourney, all of this is AI in action. Now you might think, that's cool, but I'm not a coder or an engineer. Can I still learn AI? Absolutely yes. Because learning AI today is no longer about studying algorithms. It has nothing to do with coding or complex math. It's about learning how to work with them. It's about knowing how to use the most powerful tools humanity has ever created. So here's your roadmap to start learning AI. Step 1. Understand what AI really is and isn't. Don't dive straight into tools or tutorials. Start by understanding how AI works fundamentally. Learn the basic concepts. What's machine learning, neural networks, computer vision, NLP or natural language processing, and generative AI. You don't need to memorize definitions, just understand their purpose. Example, machine learning is like teaching computers to learn from data. Generative AI is like teaching computers to create, like writing stories, generating code, designing logos. Once you understand this core idea, everything else becomes easier. Step 2. Learn to use AI tools, not just watch them. You can't learn AI by watching tutorials all day. You learn by building, playing, experimenting. Start using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, Notion AI, or Runway. But here's the trick. Don't use them like normal users. Ask, how does this tool actually work? What's its limit? What kind of input makes it perform best? That simple curiosity turns you from a consumer into a creator. The goal is simple. Learn the logic behind the magic. Step 3. Break down learning into bite-sized pieces. AI is a vast ocean. If you jump all at once, you'll drown. So break it down. Learn one skill, apply it, and then move on. For example, week 1. Learn prompt engineering. Week 2, learn about AI image generation. Week 3, learn automation with no-code tools. Week 4, learn how to combine these tools to create real projects. The secret is consistency beats complexity. Tiny steps compound fast in AI. Step 4, learn how to think with AI. AI is not just a tool, it's a thinking partner. So when you face a problem, instead of asking, "Can AI do this?" ask, "How can I make AI help me do this faster, better, smarter?" That mindset shift is the real superpower. You'll realize you don't need to master everything. You need to master how to use AI creatively. Let's say you're a student. Use AI to summarize notes, create quizzes, or explain tough topics. A business owner? Use AI to automate customer support, generate campaigns, analyze data. A content creator? Use AI to brainstorm, edit scripts, or generate visuals. Every field now has an AI edge, and your job is to find yours. Step 5. Stay updated, stay curious. AI evolves faster than anything else in tech. What's trending today could be outdated in 6 months. So make continuous learning your daily habit. Read updates, join AI communities, and follow tool creators. And most importantly, keep experimenting. Because the best AI learners are not the best coders. They're the best explorers. Step 6. Build real projects. Don't stop at theory. Build something, even if it's small. An automated workflow, a chatbot, a personal assistant, a content generator. Real projects teach what no course ever can. They show you how AI fits into the real world. And here's a fun fact: 70% of AI professionals in 2025 didn't come from computer science backgrounds. They came from fields like design, business, marketing, people who simply learned how to use AI creatively. That's the opportunity right now. You don't need a degree, you need a direction. Let's summarize everything we talked about. Understand AI, not by reading about it, but by using it. Use tools and explore how they think, not just what they do. Break learning into small pieces and stay consistent. Think with AI, not against it. Let it amplify your creativity. Keep yourself updated because AI will never stop evolving. Build projects because doing beats knowing. Here's the truth: the AI revolution won't be won by the smartest people. It'll be won by the fastest learners. Those who adapt, experiment, and build before everyone else does. So stop waiting for the perfect starting point. Learning AI doesn't require permission, degrees, or coding. It requires curiosity. One question, one experiment, one small action a day, and you'll be ahead of 90% of people still waiting to figure it out later. Learning AI in this new world isn't about becoming a technical expert. It's about becoming fluent in the tools that are reshaping everything. It's about knowing which AI tools exist, understanding what they can do for your specific situation, and mastering the art of communication through prompts. The AI revolution is the biggest opportunity of our lifetime. Learn it, use it, master it. Your future self is counting on you. The future doesn't belong to those who fear AI. It belongs to those who learn how to use it. Now go learn it, live it, build with it, and let AI become your unfair advantage. If this video sparked something in you, smash that like button. Subscribe to join our AI journey and stay ahead of the curve. And don't forget to share it with your friends so they can level up with you.